Here at SEARAFT, as well as our amazing sales package, we find it really important to offer training on site at your boat, as well as visiting the boat to see what we can offer for you to make sure you've got the perfect customized setup to fit within your needs. And that's why we're here today in Genua at Vidantaworld's Elegant, who offer a luxury experience at sea. As you can see, the boat is still in refit, which is a great time for us to come and visit to offer the training before the boat will set off on its voyage. The first part of the training is a presentation and a question and answer session. This will be to introduce the crew to the products that they've ordered, as well as teaching them about inflating the products, the process of setting the products up in which order, as well as maintenance to keep the products lasting longer and looking in great condition. The practical part of the setup allows us to recreating what they will be doing when they have guests aboard, to allow them to set up the products, to see it, to stand on it, as well as any questions to ensure any small details can be changed now, ready for the next part of the trip. The luxury large setup we have on this boat has got a sea pool, multiple platforms for tender docking and sofas to allow the guests to relax, have more space and more playtime whilst on the boat. We are proud to offer these services to our clients to ensure they get the maximum customer satisfaction.